Hello guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series. Daily we are coming up with 5 MCQs and from different topics and different subjects. And today is my turn, right? So let's get started for December 20. So this is me, Divya, and other faculties are taking the subjects including Vysh sir. So I hope every 9 p.m. we are coming up with these MCQs, to maintain the consistency of yours in studies. So now let us begin. And before I start, I would like to request you to subscribe Vysh IAS channel if you haven't yet. Also press the bell notification if you have, if you don't want to miss any of the notifications. Right now, let us begin. So the first question, which is consider the following questions, and today's turn of geography. Right. So consider the following statements, that is, in India, the Himalayas are spread over 5 states only. Then the Western Ghats are spread over 5 states only. The third statement says the Pulicat Lake is spread over 2 states only. So you have to find out which one of these are incorrect, right? This is very important, incorrect. So options are 1 and 2 only. Option B says 2 and 3 only. Option C is 3 only. Option D is 1 and 3 only. Pause the video guys and do answer the question, and write your comments as well in the comments, right? Write your scores also in the comments, right? So which one is the incorrect one, that you have to find out. Now let's start. So the answer is actually A, that is 1 and 2 only. So the Indian Himalayan region, it consists of more than 5 states, not just 5 states. These states are Jammu Kashmir, so this is 1, then Himachal Pradesh 2, Uttarakhand 3, Sikkim 4, Arunachal Pradesh 5, Assam and West Bengal, so right. So it is more than 5 states, that is 7 states which comes under Indian Himalayan region. Then the second one was Western Ghats, so it also has more than 5 states, right? So Western Ghats includes Kerala, some parts of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat. And the third one was actually right, which was Pulicat Lake. It spans over Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, and it is the second largest brackish water lake or lagoon in India after Chilka Lake. Please comment where is Chilka Lake here, right? In India, where is Chilka Lake? Which state, right? Now let's begin. So the second MCQ, which one of the following is the most important factor in the interaction between people and environment? So your options are human intelligence, or technology, or people's perception, and the fourth option, human brotherhood. So pause the video, answer this question. Answer is actually B, it is the technology. So human beings interact with their physical environment with the help of technology. With the use of technology, they kind of make the understanding of the nature and make optimum use of resources, right? Now let's move on to the third MCQ. So consider the following pairs. You have to match here and match here correctly, right? Correctly you have to match. So there are given the primitive subsistence kind of agriculture, right? Primitive agriculture, you can say. So under that there are three kinds of agriculture, types of agricultures are given. So which region, with what name this, this kind of agriculture is called in that region? So milpa in Southeast Asia, then Ladakh, Central Asia, and Jhuming in northeastern states in India. So your options are, here you can see, I'm sorry, wait. Okay, so your options are 1 and 2 only. A, B is 2 and 3 only. C, 3 only, and D, 1 and 3 only. Right? Pause the video and answer this question. Now let's move on. Answer is actually C, that is 3 only is the correct one. And you should be knowing this is very, at least the third option you should have definitely eliminated, that this is the this is sorry, not eliminated, this is the correct option, because everyone knows that in northeastern part of India we have slash and burn agriculture. It is called jhum cultivation, right? So jhuming is prevalent in northeastern states in India. Then this shifting, you have to there's something more given about shifting cultivation, which is or it is called slash and burn agriculture. So vegetation is usually cleared by fire, and the ashes add to the fertility of the soil, right? And this cultivation is very primitive type of tool. It uses sticks and hoes. And right, so in northeast India it is Juming, Milpa in Central America, right? You have to remember this. And Ladakh in Indonesia and Malaysia. So please remember. And this question has been directly taken from the NCRTs. Now let's move on to the fourth one. I think, yeah, this is fourth one. Sorry for the typo. So which of the following types of, yeah, so which of the following types of agriculture is the farming of citrus, in which of the type of agriculture farming of citrus fruits is very important, right? So your options are cooperative farming, marketing, market gardening, Mediterranean agriculture, or plantation agriculture. So in which one of these option the farming of the citrus fruit is actually very important. So your answer is C. It is the Mediterranean agriculture, which is highly specialized commercial agriculture, right? It is a type of commercial agriculture, and it is practiced in the countries in on the east, either side of the Mediterranean Sea, right? That's why the name Mediterranean agriculture. So the either side of Mediterranean Sea is in Europe, and then in North Africa from Tunisia to Atlantic coast, then in southern California, central Chile also, right, in the Latin America, then southwestern parts of South Africa, then south and south parts, southern western parts of Australia as well, right? And this region is actually important supplier of citrus fruits. And then which of the following is the main reason for the male migration in India, right? So your options are, so if I think you got the question. The male population which is India, it is migrating. So what is actually the main reason for their migration, right? So males, why do they generally mainly why do they migrate, right? So options are education, work and employment, C, business, or D, marriage. So answer this question, guys. So this has been taken again from the NCRT. As you can see here, the male migration, yeah, here you can see, right, the male migration, basically 34% of it is because of other reasons, but the major chunk is because of the work and employment, right? And when it comes to the female migration, most of the migration takes place, why? Because of the, as you can see, marriage. That is 66% female migrate because of because of marriage, right? Now let us move on. So in which of the following environments does one expect the presence of dispersed rural settlements, right? Dispersed rural settlement. There are so many types of settlements. So where you can expect the presence of dispersed rural settlements, right? So your options are alluvial plains of Ganga, then B, arid and semi-arid regions of Rajasthan, then C, lower valleys of Himalayas, then forest and hills in northeast, right? So your answer is actually C, because as you can see, it is talking about dispersion, right? So the population is not concentrated in somewhere. It is, right, kind of dispersed here and there. So such thing where, I mean, such a settlement, where is it seen? It is seen where the the geography itself is very fragmented, right? It is the fragmented nature of the terrain and land resource. So that such in such places only such dispersed settlements can be seen. So in the parts of Meghalaya, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh. So all this comes under the Himalayan lower valleys of Himalayas. So with this we have completed all the MCQs. I mean 5 MCQs, and the next one will come tomorrow. Next episode of the plums will come tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys, and do subscribe and share these videos and like these videos as much as you can. Right now, let's thank you. Let's wrap up.